Welcome to the Mueller Electric close-up clips, where you'll get concise, focused information of our design, test, go program, and questions to consider for your project needs. This video will showcase our custom cable assembly process. Mueller Electric, a leading cable assembly manufacturer, offers molded and unmolded custom-built cable assemblies, custom-molded instrumentation cables, and various wiring harnesses. These cable assemblies are built for a wide range of industrial applications, from machine building, conveying, packaging, robotics, construction equipment, agricultural equipment, and more. Each application is specific and unique to each customer's needs, as our customers' successful product launch is of vital importance to us. As a custom cable assembly manufacturer, each cable has its own unique design and application. To gain a complete understanding of each specific cable build, it is critical to have a partner who can take the time to listen, not only to the specific design needs, but also listen to what is important to each customer. For example, high quality, fast to market, long lasting, how the cable looks, and more. Mueller Electric, in business for over 100+ years, still has the ability to be the partner as a custom cable assembly manufacturer. The custom-built cable process we employ is our design, test, go program. We will have a sales representative and an engineer assigned to each specific case, ready to listen, ready to help each customer to a successful product launch event. We will work with the customer to finalize a working drawing of the conceptual product. From there, we will build a prototype for the customer to test and approve or make recommended upgrades. Once customer approval is received, the customer can easily move to the order process and production can commence immediately. As a custom cable assembly manufacturer, we assist you with these attributes: number of terminations and type. How many terminations will be needed? Many custom-built cables use a combination of termination to open end as well as termination to termination. Will each end be plugged into a previously designed mate, or will it be hardwired? What is best for the application? Termination types are limitless, as they can range from circular connectors such as M8, M12, M23, 7/8" 16 UN, ½ inch 20 UN, servo connections, D-subs, Deutsch, VGA, military circular, clamps, clips, plungers, and more. It must also be determined whether a mold is best to keep dust and moisture out of the connection, or if an unmolded joint is best. Number of pins. How many pins will be needed? Will it depend on the number of conductors? Sometimes, to plug into an existing connector, a certain number of pins may be needed to make the necessary connection, although an upgraded wiring diagram may call out a fewer number of conductors, leaving only a certain number of pins connected. It is not uncommon for a custom cable to have an 8-pin connector, but only 4 pins connected to conductors. In any case, a wiring diagram will need to be clear from the drawing phase to ensure an accurate pinout. Wire material. Your application will determine what type of wire will be required. The most common wire types are PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PUR, polyurethane, TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, and silicone for flexibility. TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane, and TPR, thermoplastic rubber, may also be required depending on the application. There are also other wire types to choose from, such as TCR, exposed run tray cable, PLTC, power limited tray cable, ETFE, ethylene tetrafluoroethylene, as well as ITC instrumentation tray cable. Each type offers its own unique ability to withstand certain abrasions, chemicals, temperatures, radiation, and more. Your application will determine the best wire to use in the custom assembly: wire size, conductor type, and shielding. What size wire will be needed? Is there a space contingent that needs to be considered? Will the conductors be transferring data or signal transmissions? Or will they be delivering power through AC or DC? Will the wire have a combination of both power and signal? Will cable shielding be required? If Ethernet-based, twisted pairs will be necessary. Sometimes with an overall shield, or even individually shielded twisted pairs. Larger conductors are usually required for AC power, while smaller gauge size would be acceptable for 24-volt DC power, and even smaller sizes for transmission of signal data. Wire color requirements. What color of custom assembly does the project require? Black and yellow are the two most common colors requested. Other colors may be needed depending on the type of application. White may be needed for clean room applications. Green is commonly used in data transmission. Purple and blue are also colors that have been requested, as well as gray. Sometimes a customer will desire the new custom cable to stand out from the rest and will pick a brighter color for the distinction. Overall length. In a custom-built harness, these lengths are critical as they have to be exact. No extra play is allowed as it cannot hang loose around the motor or apparatus. In other cases, a little extra wire is desired. This can be seen more frequently with open-ended cables, as rewiring may be required over time, and a little extra comes in handy. For cables with both ends, molded space is usually a consideration, so these tend to need to be exact as well. For flexing applications, many times a customer's application will call for a coiled cord. In this event, the extended coiled cable will need to be considered as well as recoil requirements. In short, will the length of the extended coil cord be adequate while the recoil maintains its shape? These are all to be considered when determining overall length of the custom cable assembly. Although a cable may look simplistic, when considering a custom design, there is so much more to be considered. As a custom cable assembly manufacturer, Mueller Electric offers a one-on-one partnership, which can take a project from a concept to a successful product launch. Let 100+ years of experience work for you. Discover our custom cable assembly process from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. We look forward to meeting your project needs. Thank you for watching.